Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I came with my summer essentials and favorites of the moment. I think this is the perfect time of the year to make a video like this. I just came back from an amazing holiday in Greece, so I'm a little bit jet lagged, but I really want to share with you guys things that I'm obsessed with. So first things is I'm obsessed with, little head scarves like this. I got many different colors, as you guys can see here. I'm wearing one right now which is really cute, stripy one, like a navy kind of style. It looks really cute just to have on your head like this. I used a lot at the beach as well, or in the city, when my hair is a bit dirty and I want to tie my hair up. This just gives a little bit more life to my hair. So I'm loving to use this either this way or just around here like that. I think it looks really cute and summery. Yeah. So next one is these Ray-Ban round sunglasses. I got this one in pink color. I don't know, I just like how light they are. They're really on trend right now. I got the one which is gold and pink, like a pink peach color, but they do in many different colors, like they do purple, blue, black, yeah, many different colors. So check that out on Ray-Ban website. But this one I'm obsessed with and I've been using on my holiday a lot. Another thing that I was obsessed with is this palette by Huda Beauty, the 3D highlighting palette in the shade Pink Sands. This one, I was never really into it when I was in London. I never really used a lot, but since I went on holiday to Greece, this one was my go-to. So this product as well is like amazing, really good pigmentation as well. I've been using a lot and that's what I'm using today on my face. I'm also loving my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Universal color. This is what I've been using lately a lot. Since I got this, I don't use any other gloss. This is pretty much the only one I use, and that's the one I'm wearing on my lips as well. And now going into skincare, I'm loving two products, which is the SkinCeuticals Mineral Radiance UV Defense SPF 50. This one I'm really impressed, guys. The only downside about this SPF is that it makes your face really white. So if you're someone that like to look very tan during your holidays, you're not gonna like this, because this will make you look like a ghost, but it stays all day long. Like, I was so impressed on my holiday. I used to put this once a day all over my face, especially on my nose. My nose normally burns a lot, like it really burns. This one I just applied once a day, and I was under the sun from like 10 o'clock in the morning until like 6 at night, and I didn't reapply once, and my skin was really protected, not even a bit of redness on my face. So that one is really nice. Also gives you radiance, gives you a nice glow, but it makes you look a bit like a ghost, which is annoying, but I still love it and I recommend it if you really want to protect your skin against the sun. I think this one is an amazing one. Second product that I want to recommend as well is this one, which is the Illuminating Self Tan Drops by Tan Lux. This one is an amazing product. You can mix with your serum, moisturizer, anything. Just add a few drops onto your face, and then that will give you like a nice tan, a nice glow on your skin as well. Don't add a lot. I do little by little, so it just gives me a little bit of a color. Basically matches my face to my body really well, and it doesn't have like a weird smell. It doesn't smell like that biscuit kind of smell that normal fake tanning products have. And my last one from skincare is the Dragon's Blood Essence Mist by Rodeo. This product is amazing, guys. I actually just finished the other version of the toner, the other version of this product, which is the older one, which is also very good, but this one is a much more updated and better ingredients in it as well. So this one I was using on my holiday to set my makeup anytime I was feeling too hot, and I was using it in the morning as well as a toner on my face, and I could really see the difference in terms of texture, radiance, like hydration, everything. This product is really nice, and it's very multi-use as well. So yeah, it's an amazing one. And the last product I want to show you guys is the Cuddly Divine Oil. So this one as well I've been using a lot, And this oil is amazing, like if you're going out and you want to get the instant glow, hydrated skin. I just spray some on my arms, on my legs as well, on some dry areas, and my skin tends to absorb very quickly because it's a dry oil. Plus the smell is incredible, and you can use on your hair, you can use on your face as well, so it's very multi-use. And yeah, I just love this. As you guys can see, I've been using a lot. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my summer essentials dash favorites for the month. I hope you have an amazing summer. Let me know down below where you guys going this summer, and I'll see you on the next video. Mwah. Bye.